Hey everybody, Mark here. Really, see, it's me. Today I have been out on a camping trip, and I've actually been out now for like 6-7 days now. But I'm going from one campground to another. I was just at the Peshtigo State Forest, and I'm heading down to the Richard Bong State Park. But yesterday I wanted to go to this Rustic Road, and because of the other two that I hit during that ride, I was too exhausted. I didn't feel like it. So we are going to now do Rustic Road 113. I'm just outside of Lakewood, and County Highway F is right up there. They put the sign down here, which is nice. That way you don't have to be up on that steep incline of a hill right there. So let's see what Rustic Road 113 has. According to the sign there, it's 9.4 miles. So yeah, let's just ride it and see what it's got. All right, guys, here we go. Sunny day today, so I'm gonna have the visor down. Rustic Road 113. This is a completely paved road. Thank goodness. I had enough of gravel yesterday. I don't need any more today. It's kind of a bumpy road here, though. I have to keep my eye on the camera because I've been having issues with it just suddenly just shutting down. Oh, lots of gravel and sand on this curve. Got to be careful of all that too up here. This northern area of Wisconsin, you can get a lot of sand, a lot of gravel and stuff in the curves. This is nice. Look at these nice curves, hills. I'm digging this. There's a gravel road right there. Oh yeah. Now I think this road is actually inside the Chequamegon. Don't ask me if that's how you pronounce it. Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest, I think. If it's not in it, it's like really close to it. Yeah, this is nice. I'm doing about 40. I kind of missed the speed sign. I didn't see if there was supposed to be 45, 35, or what. Again, as per my usual, I do not have a map up on my phone to tell me, you know, what's ahead of me. I'm just playing this by ear. Wow. Steep curve, steep hill, couldn't see nothing. I had to slow down for that one. Oh, tunnel of trees, yeah. Oh, bump. You do have to be careful on these back roads too. But a lot of the cars and trucks on them, they tend to ride in the middle. You know, they don't stay on their side of the road technically. And when they go around curves, they can definitely cross over the center lines. So you just need to be mindful of that. Oh, nice tight curve there, like that. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm digging this. This is ranking in one of my top roads. It really is. This is sweet. I like all the deep shade, even though it's pretty much midday right now. And I'm still just driving in shadows. I like that. It keeps it nice and cool. Little marshy pond right there. This is awesome. Nice steep hill. This is actually one of those roads that I would want to redo over and over. You know, if I lived up here, I'd be riding this all the time. It was actually weird too, because when I said that I wasn't going to ride this road yesterday, I decided to go to the fire tower instead. And this road goes right by the fire tower. It's like, really? Are you serious? I basically got groceries probably within 3 miles of where this road is, where we started, and I could have just ridden this all the way down to the fire tower. I'm actually surprised I have not seen any wild game yet today. No deer, no turkey. I mean, I've seen some birds, but that's about it. Well, that was a nice little sunny patch that we just went through. That was kind of nice. Got a stop sign up here. You know what? I am not seeing anything. I gotta bring up the map here. Okay. According to this, I keep going straight. So now when I actually came to the tower, I was actually on this road, this tar dam road. And then I turned and came down this way. So I actually kind of rode this section yesterday. And that's how I found out that I was so close to being on this rustic road. The camera keeps on drifting over to the side. bumpity bump bump. Okay, another stop. And this time it says that I need to turn, so do not go straight ahead. We will turn here. Nice little creek, stream, river. All right turn, no stop, and we are turning right. There's no signs or anything here, but this is where we turn. Nice steep hill here. Wow. Oh. Now right up here there's a pretty sharp curve in the road, and that's actually the fire tower. And yes, you can actually climb up that fire tower. I did it. If you want to see me go up that fire tower, look for part 3 of my 8-day solo motorcycle camping video. So yep, you just go up this gravel driveway and you'd be at the fire tower. Oh, bumpity bump. It's always a nice sign to see. There's that squiggly line. Nice sweepers. I'm actually surprised they put up the squiggly line. Those curves aren't that bad. Yeah, I'm gonna say that I think this ranks into my top 3 so far. This has been a wonderful, wonderful road. Kind of opens up right here, doesn't it? I still can't see the fire tower though. See, I think all this stuff over here has already been forested a while ago. That's my assumption anyway. Oh, nice cool old truck in there. An old tow truck. That was neat. What is this? Recycling? Waste management? Something? let's get you back over here where you're supposed to be. Oh, this is a nice sunny stretch here. With the foliage this close to the road, I'm always looking for movement, looking for that deer to stick its head out. Alright, looks like we're slowing down to 35 here. And this here is the end of our Rustic Road. Technically ends at that stop sign up there, but I'm not going to stop by the intersection. I'll stop back here. So this is the little town of Mountain, Wisconsin. Oh, that was a nice road. That really was. Am I still recording? I hope so. I'm going to bring you guys down here so I can see you a little bit better. That was nice. That was really nice. I loved the beginning portion of it. All those nice tight twisties going through the forested area. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, there's a building over there called the Schoolhouse Bar. Huh. Kind of looks neat. Looks like an old schoolhouse. Anyway. I want to thank you guys so much for coming along and enjoying the ride with me. Rustic Road 113 is definitely ranking in one of my top 3 as of right now. I've got a lot more roads to cover. So this is Mark saying thank you so much for watching. Always believe you can go out for your adventure. Always believe you can go out for that ride. Always believe you can cook that new dish. Always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys.